guys, welcome back to part 3 of our packing series. In part 1, you saw me packing for myself in our checked bag for our 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise. In part 2, you saw me packing for our 2-year-old daughter Madison in the same suitcase that will be checked. Now in part 3, we're going to be packing up our carry-on bags, and we have a few to work with because we have, so many valuables and personal items that we want to take with us in our carry-ons. First things first, make sure you download our packing lists that are in the video description below. Now let's get started. So I have our small rolling suitcase right here, and I'm going to pack it up with, so definitely you want to bring your medicines in your carry-on. Now, because we have our toddler Madison, we have to pack, toddler-friendly medicine. So we have her multivitamin, a nasal spray, infant Tylenol, thermometer, Band-Aids, Neosporin. So medicines like that for her, as well as for us adults. We have cough drops, nasal spray, pain reliever, allergy medicine, cold and flu medicine, and my vitamins that are already in its pill pack. So I have a small packing cube right here that I'm putting these items in. Now, we love our packing cubes because, again, they just help you separate all your items and keep you super organized, and you don't just have all these loose items flowing around your suitcases. So we have that. And then because we travel with our toddler, we pack along some toddler-friendly activities, entertainment. This is for our stateroom. So for Madison, we have a bunch of magnets for the stateroom walls, bristle blocks, coloring book, lightweight books, an LCD drawing board, Color Wonder paper, Color Wonder markers. So that's just a variety for her to play with in our stateroom. And of course some shovels for when we go to the beach. Now I'm going to put that in here. I have another packing cube. Now this one has all of our awesome cruise gadgets, and you'll have to check out our cruise gadget video linked above. And this has basically, our collapsible laundry basket, magnetic hooks, over-the-door organizer, which is not really going over the door, laundry pods, Ziploc, baggies, so all kinds of good stuff. So check that video out. And I'm going to throw that over here for now. I have my hair appliances, so I have my straightener and my curling iron. I'm packing these in our carry-on because I don't want anything happening to them. So let's find space for those. I have our Lysol wipes. These are to disinfect our stateroom when we board on embarkation day. And I'll just put these right here. I have my jewelry organizer. This thing is great. It keeps all my jewelry in one place and separated. So I have necklaces, bracelets, earrings, rings, and these are all right here. And my makeup bag. So this is a nice travel size makeup bag to keep all your things in one place. So that is a little glimpse of that. I'm going to put these in here. Of course, these are going in my carry-on because I don't want anything happening to them. So let's see what else we have for this bag. Okay, for now, I'm going to put this one aside while I move on to a backpack. Now, this is Madison's old diaper bag. She is potty trained, so that takes the need of having to pack diapers, which is great. But there are tons of compartments, so that's why we're bringing it with us. It'll definitely come in handy when we go out in port. So let's start with the very important passports. So we need this for boarding, so they have to go in our carry-on and they have to be easily accessible. So inside we have our vaccination cards. So I'm going to put these in their own little pocket, keep them safe. I have our boarding documents. So again, need this handy as well. So boarding passes right here, as well as we are taking along some cash. Even though we prepay our gratuities, it's nice to have some cash report, as well as tipping you know, your stateroom steward, dining room staff, and any other bartenders, porters, anyone else you feel needs an extra tip. So don't want to lose any of this. So this will go in my backpack. Now, because Madison is a toddler, it's smart to pack a change of clothes for someone so young. So I have 2 outfits, 2 pairs of underwear in here for her, just in case, since we won't be getting our check bags until the evening. I also have some hand sanitizing wipes because, well, toddlers touch everything, and we want to keep their hands clean, especially when we're about to eat. Now, we are allotted 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult 21 and over, so we have our 2 bottles here. These have to get packed in your carry-on, so these will go in my backpack. A light jacket for Madison. Because she will be wearing tennis shoes when we board, I'm going to bring along a pair of sandals for her, just in case, you know, it's really warm and she wants to change. Also, in case she wants to use the waterworks splash pad area, I'm going to pack a bathing suit for her. So if you plan on swimming on embarkation day, make sure you pack a swimsuit for yourself and your children. We're bringing along a sippy cup for Madison. Now, because Madison is potty trained and she's little, we have her collapsible travel size toilet seat. So that is definitely coming with us in here. We also like to bring a bowl with a lid so that we can take some snacks from the Lido buffet for Madison. As well as we're packing a Ziploc bag full of some snacks that we can keep in our room, as well as when we go off in port. If Madison's hungry before breakfast or hungry in between meals, we have something we can give her to suppress that appetite. So I'll put that in here as well. Now we have our selfie stick so we can take pictures. It's handy. That'll definitely get used. Now we have her tablet and headphones. Some sunscreen handy for Madison. Masks. I'll keep these right here. Very important, our lanyards, so that when we get our sail and sign cards, we can already wear them. Now I have a lightweight muslin blanket for Madison. Toddlers come with a lot, but even more, infants come with a lot. And a pair of sunglasses for Madison. Now I'm going to be wearing my 1 pair of tennis shoes that I'm bringing, so I'm going to pack a pair of sandals for myself so that I can change into them. Okay, this backpack is packed up for the most part, so I'm going to set it aside. And I'm also bringing 2 pairs of sun hats for Madison and myself, so we'll both be wearing one on embarkation day, which will leave 2 to be packed, and I don't want to smash them in any of the luggage, so I'll just put these at the bottom of her stroller. So those can go right there. Now we have our toiletry bag. This bag will not be getting packed within any of the other suitcases. And let me just show you our toiletry bag real quick. So it has a hook to hang it on one of the hooks on the bathroom door. And then basically in our toiletry bag we have shower cap, hairspray, deodorant, face lotion, face wash, Q-tips, Vaseline, shampoo, conditioner, Poopery, face wash, body wash, feminine products, sunscreen, lotion, wrinkle relief spray, bug spray, toothpaste, toothbrushes, razor, floss. So the basic toiletries, and you can see our list on the packing list that you can download. So what I love about this toiletry bag is that, first of all, did you see how much stuff I pack in it? And it has its hook, as well as this awesome little feature where this will actually ride on top of the rolling suitcase on the handle. So that's where this will go. I'll set that aside. Now we have our door decor, as well as our non-alcoholic beverages that we are allowed to take on, and it's 12 per person, cans or cartons, 12 ounces or less. So we have some sparkling waters here. I have our cool door decor I got from the Dollar Tree right here, and I got this rope and this cute little anchor from the Dollar Tree as well, and just put hot glue on there and made this. So I don't want this getting smashed, so I am gonna bring along this beach bag. I originally had it packed inside the checked bag, but I figured that this type of stuff would just fit better within here, and then we could hang it on the stroller. So I'm going to put our beverages in here. At least we won't be coming home with these. Okay. Door decor and my awesome anchor. So this will just get hung on the umbrella stroller. So I'm going to set this aside for now. Now we have another bag, which normally we take 2 backpacks, but Justin bought this cool Yeti bag that he really wants to try out. So we are going to use it for our camera equipment. And so with vlogging, we have a lot of different things that we bring along. We have our microphones. I have my camera that I like to take pictures with. We have our camera that's currently on the tripod filming this video, which will go here. We have our drone, which we may fly in port depending on weather and if it's allowed. Definitely not during the sailing. Our gimbal, our GoPro, 2 little tripods to hold cell phone, to hold the camera, and we have a Ziploc bag of all the different chargers that we need. So phone charger, camera charger, this camera charger, gimbal charger, drone charger, all of the things. They're right here. And we have a mic, little mics. This is the lens case for the lens I'm currently using to film this video. Of course, we have our hard drive and our laptop. So I'm going to stick these in here. Definitely want to carry your laptop in your carry-on so that nothing happens to it. Now, I don't know if it'll fit in this compartment because I've never actually used it. So it may just have to go on top. So I'll probably just do that and then rearrange all these inside. But this is a really cool bag because we can fit quite a few things in here. So it's our gadget bag. It's going with us. It's going to be carried on. I don't want anything happening to all this equipment. So we have that. So I still have leftover space within, you know, this rolling carry-on bag. So I may, if I see extra things that need to get added or if I want to take some of the backpack stuff out, I can. But this is what we are packing in our carry-ons. And we have all of this. So, plus a stroller and a toddler. So, we will hang this one on the stroller. Most likely I'll wear Madison and her baby carrier on my back. Justin can carry this backpack. We'll have this rolling bag with the toiletry bag on top, as well as most likely the camera bag can sit on top of it as well. So we have all this for our carry-on, as well as 2 checked bags that will be given to the porters when we arrive. If you enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to download our super handy packing list. We have one for infants and toddlers and one for everyone else. And we've also linked some of the gadgets down below in the video description, so check it out as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button either. See you on the next video.